We offer a unique interior design service, to assist all our customer in achieving their goals and guiding them effortlessly throughout to final successful conclusion. Whatever you are looking for, a fresh new look for you, exclusive hotel resort, a fabulous theme for you new house, a sumptuous style for you residents, the relaxation of a lush tropical villa, an impressive executive office, a comfortable restaurant, a new club and fashionable bar. We can turn those hidden fantasies into reality, creating a world where color style blend into each other, leaving a feeling of immense pleasure and tranquility. Delight in your new world and indulge your sense with the magical charms of professional design. We use an extensive range of material: reclaimed solid wood, teakwood, veneers, modern laminate and stainless steel, acrylic, fabric, brass, seashell, and sometimes combining the old and new to create a personal style and finish. Anjani Interior Design Workshop is a creative space dedicated to designing and producing various interior elements, such as furniture and decorations. Inside the workshop, you can find various types of cabinets and shelves made of quality materials, showing attention to detail and design aesthetics. In the background, there are many wooden materials ready to be used, creating a productive work atmosphere. The services offered usually include design consultation, material selection, and custom furniture making according to the client's request. At Anjani, each product is designed to meet both functional and aesthetic needs, ensuring a satisfying end result. The workshop may also offer a hands-on experience for visitors, where they can learn about the furniture making process and interior design techniques. This makes Anjani Interior Design not only a production place, but also a center for learning and creativity in the world of interior design.